Hey everyone, how's it going there? I'm going to be doing some combos today. I'm going to show you a 3-card combo that can end on 2 negates on the field and 3 cards in hand. And then on top of that, we'll just add in a 4th card into this same combo into how to get 3 negates on the field. So yeah, let's get right into this. This will be our basic combo, and then we'll just add another card in. Just basically a normal summonable Pendulum monster for a 4-card combo that'll get us 3 negates. But let's get right into this guy. So for starters, we will activate Chronograph in Scale, pop itself to place Time Gazer in Scale, and that will trigger Astrograph to special summon itself, adding us another Chronograph. Then we will place Wisdom Eye in Scale, use its effect to destroy itself, and that will place Oath Dragon in Scale. And that will, because of Wisdom Eye getting destroyed, that will trigger Chronograph to special summon itself from hand. Now we can link away with those two into our first Electromite. Okay, there we go, just making sure everything's on screen. Electromite will dump us an Astrograph Sorcerer. And now Electromite will pop the Time Gazer, adding the Astrograph to hand. Astrograph will then special summon itself out, adding us yet another Wisdom Eye. Let's place Wisdom Eye in Scale, destroy itself for Black Fang. And then we will use Oath Dragon's effect to add a Magician. Doesn't really matter, let's just do Time Gazer. We're just going to add, with Oath Dragon's effect, add Time Gazer. Time Gazer will normal summon. We haven't normal summoned yet. We'll link into a second Electromite. And that will dump us. It doesn't really matter actually what we dump here, but I'll just dump another Astrograph for this sake. Doesn't matter what we dump. Now, Electromite effect, popping the Black Fang, adding Astrograph. Again, Astrograph will special summon itself out. You can add either a Black Fang or Wisdom Eye, doesn't matter. Let's just add a Wisdom Eye for deck thinning purposes. And I did forget to mention we would have gotten a draw off the first Electromite there, but I'm just not showcasing any draws or anything. But we would have 3 cards in hand anyways. Place that Wisdom Eye, pop it, another Black Fang. And I believe at this point we're pretty much ready. Link away into Zephyr Metaltron. And we'll Pendulum summon out 3. Doesn't matter as long as everything's dark. Of course the Astrograph does have to go there, but then just as long as the only thing that we don't want to Pendulum summon out of here is the first Chronograph Sorcerer that we ended up destroying to get the Time Gazer in Scale. We want to leave that in there. So let's just do Black Fang and Time Gazer Magician. So link with those two, or sorry, not link, Contact Fuse into Supreme King Starving Venom. Venom's effect to pop the Oath Dragon, add the Astrograph. Astrograph will then special summon itself out, adding us a Chronograph to hand, because Chronograph again, that's why we didn't Pendulum summon this one, because it's still in the same place that it was destroyed this turn. Then go again, Contact Fuse with these two into our second Starving Venom. Again, copying Electromite's effect, popping the Black Fang, adding the Astrograph, but this time instead of triggering Astrograph, we'll trigger Chronograph to special summon itself, and Astrograph from hand. Now from here, overlay into Absolute, overlay into number 38, and then link with these two. Oops. Sorry, that goes to the extra deck. Into Proxy Dragon, and then of course Absolute Dragon will special summon out the Vortex. So there you have it, there's our 2 negates. We would have 3 cards in hand, of course, being a 3-card combo, we would have had 2 additional cards, and then we would have had to draw 1 off of Electromite. And yeah, but let's show you just how we would get 3 negates, and it'd be a little bit less awkward, and that would be with 4 cards in hand. It'll be the same base combo, just with an additional normal summonable monster. Alright, so for this second combo here, still got the basic 3 cards there from the first combo. Now we just added in a purple poison. This can basically be anything that you can normal summon that is a Pendulum monster. Yeah, purple poison just happens to fit the narrative all right. We run 3 of it, so equal chance of seeing it as anything else. Anyways, we'll start the combo off the same way as last time. Activating the chronograph and scale, popping itself to place Time Gazer and scale, astrograph, special summon itself out, adding us chronograph to hand. Now then, Wisdom Eye goes into scale, popping itself, placing Oath, chronograph triggers, special summoning itself out. You could also special summon out the purple poison, or you could save it for a normal summon. It doesn't matter too much, but yeah, let's just special summon it off of the chronograph's effect. Now then, go into the Electromite there. Make sure you got everything right, and that will dump us an astrograph to the extra deck. Use the Electromite's effect, popping Time Gazer, adding the astrograph. Astrograph will then special summon itself out, and that will add us a Wisdom Eye, because we did destroy one this turn, and of course we get to draw 1, but I'm just not going to showcase that. Now let's place Wisdom Eye in scale, pop itself for a Black Fang, and now link into a second Electromite, and this here will dump us a Harmonizing Magician to the extra deck. And now here we can use Oath Dragon's effect to add the Harmonizing to hand, and now we're just about ready. This second Electromite here will pop Black Fang, adding Astrograph to hand. Astrograph will then special summon itself out, and we can add ourselves like a Wisdom Eye to hand, place it in scale, pop itself, get another Black Fang, or you could have just added a Black Fang, skipping the Wisdom Eye step there, doesn't matter. And now we link with those two into Zephyr Metaltron. And we are ready to perform our Pendulum Summon. So we will Pendulum Summon out Astrograph. Let's do in the far right. Let's just do Black Fang there. Doesn't matter as long as it's a Dark Pendulum. We'll do Harmonizing from the hand, and that will special summon out a Purple Poison from the deck off of Harmonizing. Now then, with this Black Fang and Astrograph there, link away with those two into Supreme King Starving Venom. Starving Venom will copy the Electromite's effect, popping Oath Dragon, adding Astrograph. Astrograph will then special summon itself out, adding us a Chronograph. And again, I did forget to mention that right here, but again, the only thing that you don't want to Pendulum Summon out is that first Chronograph that you did use to pop for the Time Gazer, because that is how we are adding this one to our hand, and this would allow us to get the Naruto play. So we have that there. Now then we can contact fuse with these two. The Purple Poison gets banished for a second Starving Venom. Now then, let's overlay the two Astrographs for an Absolute. Now we can use this Starving Venom to pop the Absolute Dragon to add one of the Chronographs to hand from the extra deck, and that'll trigger one of the Chronograph's effects to special summon itself and another monster from hand. So that'll be both our level 6 Chronograph Sorcerers. Absolute Dragon will kick in, special summoning out Vortex Dragon. There we go, and then we just start overlaying. So we got our Hope Harbinger and our And there you have it, our 3 negates. We've got our Black Fang Magician, which if this hangs around long enough, we can use it to have an attack of something, or if it just gets destroyed, we can always special summon one of our Astrographs out from the graveyard. But yeah, 3 negates, 4 cards. That's just something little just to add onto that basic 3-card combo. Just anything that you can normal summon just gets you this board. And with that, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the combos. Please let me know if there's anything I could do to make these combos a bit better, or if you'd like to see them, or if not. I just thought I'd do something different than just the test hands, just a little bit more bare bones combos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a good one.